Definitely can find some treasure, you have to find some things, so, you know? Yeah.
Underneath where we're going. Underneath it.
Under there, a silk. Sand and silk together. Oh, but you know what kind of ID this was? This a duet ID.
More valuable.
Yeah. all $10 seat and $5. What that? $20 and $5. $5.
See how what that?
Yo, that's a figure.
What that?
Pot cover to pot.
But gonna drop out of the kitchen.
Yeah. My big mermaid food.
And jellyfish people.
Sometimes it's enough for them, you know.